What's up, you guys? So today I'm gonna do a quick summer makeup tutorial. This has been my go-to makeup lately when I'm going out and doing things like errands, going to the beach, gym, or whatever. So I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Satin Foundation. This is what I've been liking wearing. It's like medium coverage, perfect for summer. You don't need too much, and it covers up some pimples here, which I've got. So I'm just gonna put a bit of this on. I've been doing kind of more glowy makeup since summer. You're sweating and you don't want super duper heavy makeup here, so I don't put too much. Well, this might be a bit, but you'll see it blends out super nice. This is a super affordable foundation as well. I was using my nude stick foundation, which I still love and I've got here, but it the color match just really isn't there right now. Like, it's a little too dark for me, so I have to make sure I blend it in properly. But this is like the perfect color. I think I'm in light ivory. That's the shade I use. And yeah, I just use my sponge here, blend it in. Looks like a lot, but you'll see once it's blended in, it looks way better. So I'm getting ready. I'm prepping for a hiking trip, so I'm packing for that today. I have to get a few more things for my room because I moved to a new room. So I've been decorating. We ordered a bed frame. We have to get a chair for my desk, a few more art pieces, and like storage stuff. But we're in my new bathroom here, and the lighting seems way better, so I'm kind of happy about that. Yeah, this is super simple, easy to blend in. Okay, so now that that's blended in, I use my Bioderma Photoderm Compact. This is kind of like a powder, so that's basically what I use it for. I just add a little bit of this, and it's just gonna like set our makeup, make it last longer, kind of blends in the foundation a bit more. And then we're good to go. I've been using this instead of a loose powder, and I've kind of been liking it a lot better. Okay. And make sure blending down to your neck. I also did put SPF on before applying makeup, so make sure you do that. Okay, now moving on, we're gonna use my Pixi by Petra Glowy Powder in Rome Rose and blend this in. Blush has been a must in summer. Like, it just enhances your look. So this is something that I love to do. Super simple, and sometimes, like today, we won't add highlighter, but we'll do a bit of our eyes. So here, one moment. Now we'll do our brows using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 2. This is a great pencil here. Perfect. Now I'll just add a bit of eye makeup, and then we are good. It's a super simple makeup look, but it's also good. I use my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and mostly focus on Bellini, and the other shade is just peachy that I wear, so just kind of those, nothing too bright, and white peach just to soften up the eye look. I don't like too heavy eye looks here. This is just good, blend it in. Now we need a lip, which today I'm gonna use my Pixi by Petra lip color here. I don't even know the name of these anymore, but it's like they're double-ended lip colors. Simple, easy, it's a matte kind of gloss. Okay, now for my hair, which is super quick. What I do is take it out, brush it. My hair is kind of oily, but I'm going to the gym later, so I won't wash it till then, especially since I'm going on this hiking trip for like 3 days. So I'm just gonna leave my hair down. It's all right, looks decent, works. And this is our completed makeup look. Very simple, easy, quick, but covers up. You look glowy, you look a little more put together, and it's really nice. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.